Hello, my crafty friends. This is a odd little occasion. I don't usually do this, but I know that if you're a sewer, especially obviously in the United States, you're gonna miss Joann's if you have one locally, and it's probably the last big box store I have in my area that was, pretty good about fabric, obviously, and notions and all kinds of stuff. So I know everybody's upset. I'm upset. And I thought maybe I'd start to explore some other options. Not by choice, by being forced to. So here we go. I have heard about moodfabrics.com and I found them actually by accident myself looking for buttons. So I thought, I've explored this site. The patterns on there are free, obviously to encourage you to buy the materials. So I decided I would check it out, and I bought one of their mystery boxes. It's supposed to have 4 yards of their one of their exclusive mood fabrics, and thread and buttons. Everything I need to make a basic project. And I'm thinking maybe a dress, but um, here's the box. I'm so excited. I couldn't wait anymore. So I'm going to open this. I'm going to put it up on my table and put my camera overhead so you can see me open it. And we're going to see exactly what's in this mystery box. And I will put a link in the description to what I purchased. And you're welcome, obviously, to go and explore yourself. But if we're not going to have fabric readily available to us, we're going to have to try some other options. So let's see what's in the box. I'm so excited. Okay, everybody. So excited. And of course, if I don't like the fabric, you might not ever see this video, but I've never done an unboxing before. And as you can see, everything is still sealed up. And I'm taking some funky little practically play scissors. They're not special by any means. I would never use my fabric scissors on this process. Okay. Let's see. I'm scared. What if it's something I don't like? We'll see. Okay. All right, there's my little packing slip in case I guess I want to return it. Oh, and here's my little coupon. A coupon. Awesome. Okay, here's our box. Let's just throw that over there. Okay, looks like I need to open this piece of tape right here. Maybe have to open these little scissors. Okay. Mood Design Fabrics. Is that the only thing I had to open? Let's see. I think it should come open. Oh, this is what y'all get to see me struggle with a box. So sad. There we go. Okay, let's lay it down. Woo. What we got? I'm so scared. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna love it. We have some pretty little green buttons, kind of a forest, or not forest green, but more like a sage green. And we have, quite a few of them. Now the dress I picked out doesn't have buttons, but we might have to add some. Let's see, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 buttons. Well, that's pretty cool. The size, I don't know what it is, what size buttons they are off the top of my head. It doesn't say. I'm sure it does, but I don't know where it says it. All right, this is the fabric. Y'all can kind of see it. I'm excited about it. Oh, it's 4 yards, y'all. That's a lot of fabric. And if you buy fabric, and here's my thread. Ooh, what a pretty blue color. Oh my God, I can't wait to see this. Okay. Let's see what it looks like, y'all. Oh my Lord. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm loving it. Oh gosh, that's gorgeous. This is exactly my style. Very hippy dippy. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, y'all, it feels so nice. This is the part that we're gonna miss, not being able to touch our fabric. But I figured if we start testing things out like this, get used to different brands, different, you know, different quality of fabric depending on who the maker is and where you buy it. Maybe we can start branching out online. Oh, I love it. Y'all, I can't wait to show y'all what I'm going to make. Oh, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I can't wait to show y'all. And I'm gonna download one of their patterns as well and use it. Oh my God, I can't get over that. And use it for the process. So the next thing we're going to do is a pattern off of moodfabrics.com. I will put links in the description below. And y'all, I'm just so excited. I was scared. Really, you don't know what you're going to get, you know? But this is just lovely. Oh, it feels amazing. All right, guys. See you at the next video. We're going to be making a dress, I think. Fingers crossed.